Hi students, this video is to help you print things to OneNote. Most of the time this is going to be labs, so what you need to do is go into your labs tab, find the lab page that you want to print it on, and then you're going to scroll to the bottom and actually click where you want the page to be inserted. Usually that's underneath the last one. Then you're going to go to Insert, a Printout, let your computer load, go ahead in and find the document that you want to print. Let's say it's in my 6th grade folder. Okay, here it is. When I click Open, then I'll click OK. It's going to take a couple seconds. And then there it is. My document gets printed right onto the OneNote page. So this is if you have OneNote, the app, if you use this version of OneNote. If you use OneNote 2016, just to show you, it's a pretty similar process. Same thing, you're going to go to your OneNote page, make sure you're in the right area. Alright, oh, so I did it in the other one, so it automatically popped up. But just to show you the steps here, right, you would click where you want this document to be inserted. You go to the Insert tab, let it load, and you want to do a file printout. And wait patiently while your computer loads. Go ahead and find your document, wherever it is. Here, this is just a picture, but you get the idea. You find the file that you want. Once you click Insert, give it a second to load. And there it goes. Like I said, it's a picture, not a Word document, but you get the idea. Your file will be inserted right underneath there. Thanks for watching.